Hi, this is KARL-JAMES Langford. I thought I'd do a daily blog. I used to do a daily blog many years ago. So this is KARL-JAMES Langford. It's the 25th of March 2021. And brilliant start to the day. I just been out and about, just sold 2 of my books. This absolutely brilliant guy in the valleys, and we've got a new member that's come on board as well from someone else in Wales actually. So I'm teaching this morning, and there's one thing I also had through my door. This is why I want to do daily blogs, so I can just do sort of things. So start off with a positive, isn't it? So look at that there, isn't they great? Look at that, King Arthur stamps, brilliant. So yeah, so look at that, aren't they great? So we've actually got King Arthur stamps. So anyone who actually gets my books, so I've got my 2 new books coming out, Ghosts of Glamorgan 2 and Romans in South Wales. So that's coming out, and when those books are actually being sent to people, we'll be sending these new stamps on them, and they're great. So we've got Knights of the Round Table stamp. How appropriate, really. Sending out a history archaeology based book. Sir Lancelot defeats the dragon. Look at that one, isn't that great? It's £1.70 stamp, so this is for the books. We've got Sir Galahad and the Holy Grail, that one there. And we've got Arthur battles Mordred, that one there. And we got the death of King Arthur. So yeah, it's a great start, isn't it? That we got lots of good things happening. So I'm off to teach in a little while now, online. Gotta get my cup of tea, and I'm gonna post this, and this is going to be one of those videos that I'm not going to promote or anything. It's going to be a daily thing that I'm going to try and get out there. And lots of things to do today, actually, after my teaching. And maybe I'll tell you all about it tomorrow. Yeah? Got book writing to do. So anyway, thank you very much for watching my little video log. And this is out for Tom. Good old Tom with his children and his wonderful wife. And Tom, if you can remember, this is KARL-JAMES Langford on 050175. Is that what I used to say? Anyway, just put that out there. Many thanks, and many thanks for being subscribers as well. Thank you very much.